Hey everyone, Mr. Andrew here. Today I wanted to talk about molar mass. What is molar mass and how can we calculate it? So, molar mass is the amount of a substance in grams that it takes to make 1 mole. Now, because every element has its own unique molar mass, all compounds all have their own unique molar mass. So, we need to be able to find these pretty accurately and relatively quickly. So, let's start out with a couple examples. Let's say first we wanted the molar mass of just aluminum. Okay. Anytime you've got the element or just a pure element, you can just look it up on the periodic table because the mass that's listed, the mass right here, yeah, the mass listed right here, that is its molar mass in grams. So for aluminum, the molar mass is 26.98 grams. Now, generally speaking, the masses listed on the periodic table can be up to like 3 or 4 decimal points, but most people just functionally use 2 decimal points. So in my class, we're mostly going to be using just 2 decimal point molar masses. Okay. But what if it's a little bit more complicated than that? What if you are dealing with a compound? So let's say instead of aluminum, we have Al2O3, aluminum oxide. How do we calculate this? The first thing we need to do is count atoms. Now, if you're not sure how to count atoms, you can go back and check my previous skills video where I go over that topic. So really quickly, just looking from the formula, we're going to have 2 aluminums and we're going to have 3 oxygens. Oop, I wrote a 0. That's weird. Now, once you have counted the atoms, you have to multiply the atoms by their respective molar masses from the periodic table. So for aluminum, its molar mass is 26.98 grams. We actually talked about that in the last question. It's right here. Okay. But we also need the molar mass of oxygen. That's this one right here. For oxygen, the molar mass is 15.999. So when we round that to 2 decimal places, we just get 16.00. We just keep carrying the 1. Next, we got to multiply these out. So 2 times 26.98, that's going to be 53.96 grams. 3 times 16, that's 48.00 grams. Lastly, we just add these together. So starting from the back, 6, 9 point, that's 11, carry the 1. Our molar mass for this compound is 101.96 grams.